Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In the last video we did decimal to binary number conversion. Today also we will be doing the same, but today we have a fractional part in the decimal number as well. Suppose we have a number 82.428. Okay, now see, for this integer part we have already done the conversion. We will quickly do it again. What we do, we divide by 2, we write the quotient and the remainder. So 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, it will be 0, remainder will be 0. Again divided by 2, 2 2 is 4, 0 and remainder will be 1. Again divided by 2, 2 10 is 20 and remainder will be 0. Again we will divide it by 2, 2 5 is 10 and remainder will be 0. Again divided by 2, 2 2 will be 4 and remainder will be 1. Again we will divide it by 2, 2 2 is 4 and remainder will be 0. We will keep on dividing unless and until we have got our quotient 0. 2 1 is 2 and it will be remainder 0. Again divided by 2. Now 1 is not divided by 2. So quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. ठीक है. Now what we will do, we will just write these numbers from top to bottom. We have to write, from bottom to top. So it will be 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. So it will be the binary number for 82. Now we have the fractional part. It is 0.482. Here, to convert this fractional part into binary number, we will multiply by 2. So when we multiply, 2 8 is 16. We will get carry over 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 4 is 8. So we have not got any carry over. We will write 0. Again we will multiply it by 2. It will be 2 6 is 12. 1 carry over. 2 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry over. 2 8 16 plus 1 is 17. So this and 1 carry over this. We will only multiply till decimal number. This full stop, this dot point. Okay, we will not multiply before it. If we have got carry over, we will write 1, and if we have not got any carry over, we will write 0. Again we will multiply it by 2. It will be 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. 4 and carry over here. We will not multiply this 1 by 2. We have to multiply till this dot. Okay. Now see, we can keep on multiplying it by 2 for how many times we want. But I prefer to multiply it only 3 times. Because it will not end. We keep on multiplying. We will be getting more numbers. Okay. Now how to write the binary number? We will write from top to bottom. ठीक है. So it will be 0, 1 and 1. So for dot 428 we have got this binary number. Now our complete number is 82.428. This is our decimal number. So for 82 we have this binary number 1001 0010 dot. For this number we have this, so we will write 011. So finally we have got our binary number. This is how we convert a decimal number into binary number. Hope you understand, you have understood how to convert decimal number into binary number when we have a fractional part as well. So now we have a practice sheet. link in the description box. You all can practice the questions from there. We will come with our next video soon. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Bye.